Hey DIYers, Jarrett with Alarm Grid here. Today we're going to talk about whether you can disable the internal siren on the Qolsys IQ Panel 2 or even the Qolsys IQ Panel 2 Plus. Yes, the answer is yes. You can disable the internal siren on the Qolsys IQ Panel 2 and the Plus version. In order to do that, you will need to have the either the installer code or the dealer code in order to be able to access the programming to get to the setting to be able to disable that siren. Now, the default installer code for the system is normally 1111, and the default dealer code is 2222. As later in the video, we are going to go over that as well. But basically, to give you some backstory on the siren for the Qolsys, it is a built-in siren that comes with the system. It is an 85 decibel siren, and it is going to be very loud, right? You can think of it as the equivalent of maybe like a lawnmower outside. Like you can compare the sound or how loud it's going to be for like how loud a lawnmower could be. Now, if you did need maybe a louder siren and also just have something indoors to maybe extend the sound of it or maybe heighten the sound of your alarm going off, you could use what's called the Qolsys IQ Siren. It is a Z-Wave siren that you can set up as a Z-Wave device with the system. If you wanted to do that, then you basically just create like an automation scene where if the alarm is triggered, then it's going to trigger that Z-Wave siren. That siren is about 105 decibels, so if you wanted something a little bit louder, I'd say go with that. Now, there are some reasons why people would want to disable the siren for the Qolsys. Maybe it's just a little bit too loud for some people. Maybe just they want to disable it for a certain period of time, or if they're just doing some testing on the system and they don't want to have the siren go off. Because trust me, when this siren goes off, you'll definitely know it's going off. It's very loud. Now, if you did want to disable the siren or the internal siren for the Qolsys IQ Panel 2 or the Plus, you're just going to follow these simple steps. So on the panel itself, what you're going to do is at the top, you're going to see the small little gray bar. So you're just going to tap that, and then you're going to go to Settings, and then you're going to go to Advanced Settings. So this is where you're going to type in the installer code or the dealer code. So for right now, we're just going to do the installer code, which is 1111. If you wanted to use the dealer code, then it's going to be 2222. So you're going to go to Installation. You're going to look for Siren and Alarms. And at the top, you're going to see panel sirens. All the stuff down here, you don't really have to worry about it for this. But if you wanted to disable the siren, you're just going to look for panel sirens at the top. You're going to tap on it. It's going to bring up these different options. So if you wanted to just disable it and then re-enable it later whenever you feel like it, you're just going to tap all sirens off. And if you just wanted to put the system to like a test mode, if you wanted to test some things out for like 30 minutes or so, then you can use the installer test mode option. As it says, all sirens will be off for about 30 minutes. So if you tap on that, it's basically just going to disable the siren temporarily for about 30 minutes. And then after that, it's going to re-enable it. But for right now, we're just going to tap all sirens off. Once you do that, just hit the house button at the bottom of the screen, and now you've disabled the siren. So if you ever wanted to re-enable that, you just go back into the options, you click panel sirens, and then you just put panel sirens on. So, and that is how you disable the internal siren for the Qolsys IQ Panel 2 or even the Qolsys IQ Panel 2 Plus. If you have any further questions about the Qolsys alarm systems or alarm systems in general, please contact us at support@alarmgrid.com or go to our website, alarmgrid.com. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you want notifications of future videos, please click the bell icon. This is Jarrett with Alarm Grid. You have yourself a great day.